I'm back to share another easy recipe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Oreo muffins. For this recipe, you're going to need 25 Oreos or any other sandwich cookie. I'm using the Publix brand kind. A half a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of melted butter, a half a cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 egg. First, you're going to crush the cookies. Now in a mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt together. In a separate bowl, combine the milk, sour cream, and egg together. Now add the two mixtures and the butter together, combining thoroughly. Now fold in your cookie pieces. Fill the muffin cups up about 3/4 of the way. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the center is completely done. Remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.